writing.
Hi, I'm Nalini Paul and I'm a poet and I live in Glasgow in Scotland. I've lived near water for most of my life, so I grew up in Vancouver, which is on the west coast of Canada, and I have some great memories of going to the beach, swimming in the sea and going on family holidays on camping trips near lakes. I also lived in Orkney in Stromness, which is an amazing place. So when you walk down the main street there, you can see the sea between all the different houses. And Orkney is made up of a bunch of different islands, so the sea is quite a presence there. I now live in Glasgow, near the River Kelvin, and that's a great place to go for walks and to see lots of interesting bird life.
Get a pen and paper and let's get creative. Pause the video if you need more time.
Listen to the music. Can you think of a color or colors that come up when you listen? Try to picture a color. How does this color make you feel? How does the music make you feel? Happy, sad, lonely, excited, adventurous? Write down as many words that come to mind. Maybe you can start writing a story or a poem. What are some of the senses that come to mind? Sight, smell, sound, touch, taste. What does the music taste like, if you could describe it that way? Does it remind you of your favorite food or treat? Write down whatever comes to mind. What does the rain smell like? Think about a time when you went out for a walk in the rain. What did you see or hear? What does the rain sound like? When the rain clears, what do you see or smell? Do the trees and plants look different now after the rain? Do you see a bigger view of mountains or the sky or an island in the distance? What do you see? How do you feel now that the rain has stopped? Do you feel peaceful, happy, sad, excited? Go outside with a grown-up and see if anything now that you have thought about in your mind is there in front of you. What do you see and what do you hear? Can you smell anything? Is it cold or warm? Is it raining? Do you feel different when you are outside, seeing, smelling, hearing things around you, to when you think of these things in your mind or imagination? That is, when you remember them. Take a notebook with you the next time you go for a walk. Write down the way it looks, smells, sounds, feels, and tastes, even if you have to imagine this. So I hope you've enjoyed that exercise with writing and music, and the next time you go on a walk in the rain or by a lake or a river or to the beach, see if you can think of even more ideas to keep your writing flowing. Thank you.